Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Coimbatore location. It is from Tamil Nadu. Let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for Junior Engineer Trainee position from MAG Solvix Private Limited. So they are going to pay for this position is 7,000 to 8,000 rupees per month. So it is for fresher candidates, and they are looking for diploma candidates and also BE in ECE or EEE. And so both candidates are eligible to apply for this position, and you should be having above 1 year of experience to apply for this junior engineer trainee position. And coming to job description, PCB board assembling, PCB board evaluating, and PCB board testing and soldering. So this is the nature of the job. So it will be the day shift. So for more detailed information about this job position, you can have a look on the description. So we have provided the links over there, so you can go through with that. Next one, there is a job opening for data entry operator position. It is from Velon Info Services India Private Limited. So coming to job responsibilities, you need to capture specified fields from source documents accurately and meet deadlines consistently. So coming to candidate profile, so freshers with any college degree or diploma candidates are eligible to apply for this position, and minimum typing speed will be 30 WPM, and you should be having experience with Microsoft Office, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word. So it will be the full-time job and the 2-day shift. So bachelor's degree will be preferable. So you can check here with the details provided, and for more detailed information to apply for this position, you can have a look on the description. So we have provided the link over there. You please go through with that. Next one, there is a job opening for graduate engineer trainee position. So it is from UMS Technologies Private Limited. So it is for BE candidates in mechanical engineering. So fresher candidates are eligible to apply for this position, and you'll be having 3 shifts. So it will be the full time. So for more detailed information and also in order to apply for this position, you can check in the description. So we have provided the link over there. So you please go through with that. Next one, there is a job opening for customer support associate position. So it is from Anulam Technologies Private Limited. So you should be having good English communication skills and customer handling qualities, and also so they are giving preference to female candidates, and application deadline will be before 31st August 2021. So it is for fresher candidates, and it will be the full-time job, and they are going to offer a salary will be 8,000 to 15,000 rupees per month for this position. So it will be morning shift. So they are giving preference to bachelor degree candidates. So for more detailed information about this position, you can have a look on the description. Next one, there is a job opening for graduate trainee position. So it is from Harmony Hearing Solutions located in Coimbatore. So it is for fresh graduates and also experienced candidates. Biology background is preferred, so it will be a full-time either internship, and it will be also the contract basis. So they are going to offer a salary will be 8,000 to 10,000 rupees per month. And coming to benefits, you are provided with health insurance and paid sick time. So it will be the morning shift. So you can check here with the experience and other details provided. And for more detailed information about this position and also to apply for this position, we have provided the link in the description, so you can check over there. Next one, there is a job opening for junior engineer quality position. So it is from auto auto die casting company. So it is located in Coimbatore. So it will be a leading aluminum die casting foundry. So they requires the following personnel immediately. So a qualification will be diploma or BE in mechanical. So these candidates are eligible to apply for this position, and you should be having 1 to 10 years of experience to apply for this position, and it is for fresher graduates. So interested candidates, you please check with all the details, and salary will be up to 15,000 rupees per month. So to apply for this junior engineer position, you can check in the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for assembly operator position. It is from UMS Technologies Private Limited, located in Coimbatore. So coming to qualification details, diploma in AE or DME with minimum 1 year of experience in is required in automobile industry. So fresher candidates are eligible to apply for this position, and it will be full-time job. So for more detailed information and also to apply for this assembly operator position, we have provided the link in the description. You please check with that. Next one, there is a job opening for implementation executive position. So it is from Roadmap IT Solutions Private Limited, from Coimbatore. So they are giving preference to only male candidates for this position. So coming to requirements, understanding the customer business process and documenting it, setting up the client company in ERP and reviewing client's data for implementation, successful implementation of ERP based on client process, handling post implementation queries of the client and writing the requirements in detail of the client related to new development, and day-to-day coordination with clients on ERP related requirements, continuously monitor, track and report and govern the ERP implementation projects. So please check with the rest of the requirements provided here. So it will be full-time volunteer, and fresher candidates are eligible to apply for this implementation executive position, and salary will be between 10,000 to 15,000 rupees per month. So please check with all the details provided here. So degree candidates are preferred, and for more detailed information and also to apply for this position, we have provided the link in the description. You please go through with that. Next one, there is a job opening for junior engineer position. So it is from Senvac Extraction System Private Limited, located in Coimbatore. So coming to roles and responsibilities, creating drawings for sheet metal fabrication and pod drying, understanding the concept of project or site based upon that drawing should be done, involving in new product development, checking and finalizing of detailed drawing, experience in project design and manufacturing process, preparation of PDS, documentation of new manufacturing process or engineering changes, and should estimate of products is done as per the customer's requirements, and at last follow up each and every steps of project regarding materials or process or space to quality production, purchase and R&D. So these are the roles and responsibilities, and coming to skills required, so they are giving preference to bachelors of engineering. So these candidates like mechanical, mechatronics and industrial engineering, and also you should be having 2 to 3 years of experience. I mean job experience is required, and you should be having good communication skills, and also you should be having knowledge on AutoCAD and the SolidWorks. Experience will be preferable. So last date for the application process is 30 9 I mean September 2021. So it will be full-time job. So for more detailed information about this position and to apply for this position, we have provided the link in the description. You please go through with that. Next one, there is a job opening for junior engineer position for quality assurance. So it is from Senvac Extraction System Private Limited from Coimbatore. So you should be having 1.5 to 3 years of experience to apply for this position. And coming to roles and responsibilities, in-depth experience in fabrication inspection, and you should be having strong experience in in-house process inspection and in-depth experience in machine assembly inspection, and strong experience in inward raw material inspection, knowledge in quality and related terms, coordinating with quality supervisor and completing the task as per assigned, and exploring client's place as per the guidance provided by quality supervisor. So these are the roles and responsibilities. So coming to requirements, the candidate should have two-wheeler license, and the candidate should have completed diploma or engineering in mechanical engineering or industrial engineering, and also we should be having, I already told about this, like 1.5 years to 3 years of experience is required, and the candidate should visit the inspection site and coordinate with quality supervisor, and also certification in quality will be added advantage. So the preferred qualification will be diploma. So you please check with all the details, and last date for application process is 31st August 2021. So for more detailed information and also to apply for this position, we have provided the link in the description. So please go through with that. Next one, there is a job opening for senior associate position. It is from Nobis, located in Coimbatore. So qualification will be bachelor's in computer science or equivalent education, covering math, algorithms, data structures, networking, databases, operating systems and graphics. So coming to job requirements, you should be having 4 to 9 years of experience to apply for this senior associate position, and also excellent hands-on hands-on knowledge of HTML5, CSS3 and JavaScript, and you should be having hands-on experience working with object-oriented JavaScript, OOJS, JavaScript, and practical uses in building complex interactive experiences, and primarily with ECMA script 2015 plus, and you should be up to date with new specifications and also using transpilers like Babel to use features from all stages, and you should be having good understanding of creational and structural design patterns in JavaScript, and you should be having hands-on experience with functional programming FP, and also experience in working with single page applications SPA with universal rendering capabilities. So these are the job requirements, and you should be having knowledge on all these languages provided here. So for last date for application process is 5th August 2021. So for more detailed information about this position, we have provided the link in the description, so you please go through with that. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job, and if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.